Welcome to Blue Baron Truck Mounts here in Lecanto, Florida, and we have a access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, tailored for a 318 Hydamaster 318 or Diamond's product equivalent, all made by Hydamaster. And we did an install about a month ago on one of the other units, and we built a flange, and this is going to another customer. This is the flange that we build. We go by a template that came off the original equipment, and what we'll do is this will go toward the interior, this will be in the front, and this will go with the 1 7/8 stainless flex hose, which will go right on here, and it'll come right up to the header, which the header will be right about right there. So this is going to be a really good fit. It's over 9.5 inches on the opening and quite a few inches beyond the length of this heat exchanger. So we had done a previous video to show the interior of the 318, which is a Diamond products. It's the same thing, Diamond products made by Hydramaster. There's a picture of the one that we did an install on. And here's the 318, which is the same, basically the same. This says Boxer right here, 318. This is Diamond products. The same architecture, the same equipment, just a different label. But basically, it's all made by Hydramaster. So you guys out there that are having a hard time getting Hydramaster parts, especially in today's time period, we are here to answer all your questions and also to fulfill you with a aftermarket heat exchanger that will get you up and running and making money. Gets really hot, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. Now the interior will be 3/8 mil pipe thread, either or can go to the front. The other one will come from the unloader, and it'll just go through 80 feet of tubing, okay, all stainless heavy wall tubing, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. And of course we do the ProChem aftermarkets as well for the 405s, the Legends, Trailblazers, Lancers. We even do the Cub XL. So we're doing a lot of aftermarkets for a lot of these overpriced or companies that just can't provide the heat exchangers. We're here to fill in the gap, but with a better heater, with higher heat, higher pressure tolerance. You can do high pressure jobs with this heat exchanger and not worry about it blowing up. All of these 3 compacts that are in the assembly process right now, they all receive the exact same heat exchanger, with exception for the way that the fittings come out. This is a 1.5, and it comes in as goes out as 1.5, but like say on these units here, our headers are designed in a way that they go up to a 1.5 opening. So this is our header right here that we built, and it starts out at a 1 inch and it goes up to a 1.5. So we can do all kinds of things with headers, build headers for you guys for whatever truck mount you have and whatever engine or size that you have, whatever size, whether it be a 1 1/4 or 1.5 header or 1 inch header, typical of a lot of the smaller block engines. We can be there to fill the gap, provide you with the very best in heat exchanger technologies, the patented design. So we've been out there for a long time. We've been building for 18 years. So call us today if you need a heat exchanger for a 318 Hydramaster. And you can see it comes with flex hose, comes with this flange, the custom flange that replaces the heat exchanger that was originally on there. So this will go right to the header, bolt right to the header. That's still, once you take the heat exchanger out, the header flange is still there, so you want to match it up with the appropriate flange here. This will go right on the flange that is still waiting for this part, and it will make the complete connection going into your inlet, coming through all your coils, absorbing all the heat in our nice patented design where all the gases are absorbing at the same time. There's no layering or anything like that, no concentric helical wrap. It basically will provide heat across the coils, come out as exhaust, and absorb all the heat that you need to heat the water. Call us today at 727-505-2989. We'll answer any of your questions. We're open 6 days a week, even on Saturdays. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete. Thank you.